morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, August 3rd. Stocks on Wall Street are regaining some of the ground they lost in yesterday's steep sell-off. Economic concerns and the debate over the debt ceiling have put a dent in investor confidence lately and dragged the broader stock market into negative territory for the year. But the Dow Industrials may break their 8-session losing streak today, helped by a relatively strong reading on the labor market. Payroll processing firm ADP found that private U.S. employers added 114,000 jobs in July, above the 85,000 predicted by economists. The report may be a good omen ahead of Friday's government employment report. Investors are hoping for a big improvement over June, when the economy added just 18,000 new jobs. The strong data are doing little to dim gold's appeal as a safe haven investment. It's been rising to record after record amid all the uncertainty in the economy and in Washington, and that trend is continuing today. Right now, gold is jumping another $25 to about $1,670 an ounce. Meanwhile, oil prices keep moving in the opposite direction. Crude is now down well below $94 a barrel. And in the currency markets, the dollar is losing ground against most major rivals, but it's rising off an all-time low against the Swiss franc. That currency has also been benefiting from its perceived safety, but that's also hurting Swiss exports and threatening the country's economy. So today, the Swiss National Bank cut its key lending rate to 0 and said it will boost the supply of liquidity to the money market, effectively a form of quantitative easing. On the corporate front, we're seeing big gains in shares of MasterCard this morning. They're jumping 5% after the company blew away estimates with its second quarter earnings. In addition, MasterCard's revenue increased 22% as people charged more to their credit cards. The media industry is also likely to get a lot of investor attention today. Comcast topped expectations with a 16% rise in profit and a 51% jump in revenue. The biggest U.S. cable operator lost fewer pay TV customers during the quarter and saw strong growth at its recently acquired NBC Universal unit. Shares of Comcast are modestly higher in early trading. Meanwhile, CBS is gaining nearly 2%. After yesterday's closing bell, the broadcast network said its second quarter earnings more than doubled on strong gains in licensing and advertising revenues. But shares of Time Warner are dropping 2.5%, despite beating estimates with a 13% increase in net income. And finally, keep an eye on shares of Clorox. Its profit declined slightly in the latest quarter, but still came in ahead of Wall Street forecasts. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.